how to log out of all devices on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'll provide a step-by-step guide on logging out of all devices from Snapchat. So let's dive right in. Open up your Snapchat app, then tap on your profile on the top left, and then go to the gear icon to head over to settings. Now scroll down and head over to session management to view all active sessions including device details and login details. So all of the devices that you're logged in into will appear here. Now if you want to log out of a specific device, you can just tap on it and then you can see the logout option. However, since I only have one device currently logged into, there is no option like that. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.